Are you looking for the most durable outdoor LED screen with the best cost? Hi, I'm Regina, the product manager for LAMPRO. I'm here to introduce you the new benchmark in outdoor display technology, LST series. Die-casting cabinet and aluminum module base, lightweight, robust, and excellent heat dissipation. Gold wire LED lamps for superior reliability and higher luminous efficiency, leading the DOOH LED industry. 10,000 high brightness and ultra-high refresh rate for silky smooth, ghost-free visuals. Extreme temperature swings wrapping your modules. High humidity and salt fog environments accelerating corrosion. These challenges can directly impact your outdoor deployment's lifespan and ROI. But for LST, there are no even the challenges. LST combines gold wire LED lamps and die-casting aluminum construction to resist thermal stress and salt fog corrosion for all weather stability. Dual model handles enable easy single-person lift or faster two-person carry. Concealed bottom cable box slows cable aging and deters rodent damage. Front and rear access design to meet any installation scenarios. Stable performance, ROI uplift up to 200%. 5,000 square meters ready stock rolling release. Shenzhen local and overseas warehouses on standby. Order now, ship instantly, keep your projects on schedule. Join LAMPRO with partner. Great success together.